Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to create a not safe for work channel inside of Discord. There's various reasons why you might want to make one. Some of them are pornographic, some of them are just people like to use Discord when they're at work, and some things like graphic, gore content, violence, or weaponry. They don't want that to accidentally pop up on their screen while they're, in the office or wherever. So, to create a not safe for work channel, all you have to do is create a channel, and we'll just call this the secret not safe for work channel. And that's pretty much it. You can create the channel, make it private if you want. It really doesn't matter. The way that you make it not safe for work is after it's created, you hit this little gear, and then you go down here in the main panel of overview. You can say, like, this is for all your not safe for work content. And then you can go down here and make it an age-restricted channel. Toggle that on, hit save changes, and now when you try to enter this channel, it will be like, hey, this channel contains adult content marked as age-restricted. Do you wish to proceed? That way you can't pretend like you didn't know that not safe for work content is in this channel. There's literally an age restriction confirmation window that you have to click continue in order to see stuff inside this channel. And that's it. You can turn any channel you want into a not safe for work channel. That's a text channel. There's not really a setting, as far as I'm aware, for voice channels. Oh no, I guess you can make an age restricted voice channel. Okay. So because the voice channels have their own chat channel associated with them, when you click on it, it'll say that it's age restricted, or at least it should when I pop in here. Oh, no, it really doesn't warn you of anything, which is interesting that it even gives you the option to make this age restricted. But yeah, you can make this technically. I think that might be an oversight. Anyway, that in general is how you're supposed to make age restricted channels. I would not suggest making your voice channels age restricted, just because that's a little silly, and also I don't really like how text channels connected to voice channels work, and I really wish they hadn't added those. Because they're just a pain in the butt to click on this and then close it again, when you could just make like a secondary channel like I used to, called voice related, and then it's just right there. That's the voice chat channel, and that worked a little bit better in my opinion. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.